The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Multiple weather events have been happening across the U.S. This includes and is not limited to severe thunderstorms, tornadoes, thunderstorms, and flooding. Please stay calm. During this time, get blankets, chargers, phones, clothing, food, water, medical supplies, such as a first aid kit, and go into a basement immediately. You will get free unlimited cellular data and unlimited talk and text. Also, National Guards will come every 5 days and give you 5 days worth of food. Also, a nuclear bomb will be dropped to stop this from escalating to a global alert. The bomb will be dropped in 15 days. Go in a fallout shelter and grab the mentioned supplies.